Welcome to this video based on uses of definite article the. So 5 rules we studied in the previous lecture. Here we will continue from the rule 6. So before before the names of famous buildings we have to use article the. For example, the Taj Mahal is one of the best monuments in India. So you'll find that Taj Mahal, it is a historical and famous building, that's why before that article the has been used. So the name before the names of famous buildings we have to use article the. 7 point, the names of national sects community. The English defeated the Germans in the last World War. So before the names of the nationals we have to use article the, just like the English, the Germans. Here the English refer to English people and the Germans refer to German people. The rich should help the poor. Here we find that the rich denotes section of rich people and the poor denotes sections of the poor people. So here before a word that denotes section or group of the same kind of people, person or things, we have to use article the. The Hindus believe in the caste system. So here Hindus indicates a community. So if a word indicates a community, means the noun that indicates a community, before that we have to use article the. The Hindus, the Muslims, the Sikhs, the Christians, like that. Next is proper nouns used as common nouns. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Here you find that here we are not talking about the Shakespeare. So here Shakespeare is not a proper noun, it is a common noun. Here we are talking about the qualities of the Shakespeare. So here qualities of the Shakespeares are compared with the qualities of the Kalidas. You find that Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. It means the qualities that Shakespeare had, the same qualities Kalidas had. So we can say that Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Delhi is the London of India. So you know that the qualities, the features which London has, the same qualities and features Delhi has. So here the qualities of London are compared with the qualities of Delhi. So we can say that Delhi is the London of India. Here London is not the name of city London, but the here features and qualities of the name of qualities of the London are compared with the qualities and features facilities of Delhi. It is noteworthy in this context that the is to be used only before the second noun and not before the first noun. Okay. Next point is famous historical events, means the events that took place and they are historical events, means those events are mentioned in the history. So those famous historical events are preceded by article the. The Industrial Revolution changed the face of England. So Industrial Revolution of famous and historical events. So before that article the has been used. The French Revolution took place in 1978. So here you find that the French Revolution. So it is also historical event, before that article the has been used. So other uses we will study in the next lecture. Thank you so much for watching this video.